Hi, I'm the student Bruno Lopez Mafra, and that's the video for assignment one, the Wellness Hub for Comp3095. Students in this group are myself, Bruno Lopez Mafra, and Carlos Figuera. The core features we made is we coded three microservices. We made a CRUD with PostgreSQL and MongoDB. We implemented the REDS caching, the REST inter-service communication, and then Dockerized deployment. Here, as you can see on my Docker desktop, I have all my containers running. After I run the code docker compose up -d to start the environment. So here you can see the wellness resource, the goal tracking, event service, Redis, MongoDB, everything of them are running. Here we can verify the services running and localhost on each one of the ports, 8081, 8085, 8086, all of them are up. Here 8087 is running as well. Now showing the Docker Compose file, you can see all the services listed here with the images and networks, also with the health check. So we have everything good and running here. Now talking about the Wellness Research Service, I'm gonna show the demonstration here on Postman. So to create a resource, we have the API and we just send the request here with the JSON body, and then it returns with ID and 201 HTML response. Here to get all resources, we send a get method. Here, I can demonstrate the Redis using the response time here. So the first time it went in 1.54 seconds. Second time, it's way faster, 226 milliseconds, because it already have the Redis going on. Here I can search by category with this URL right here, where I specify the category in the URL with a get method. We can see that it's gonna show that resource that I just created. I can also update it by ID using the ID here. For example, I put ID1 and send with the JSON body. It's gonna take some time, but it's gonna return the updated resource. And to delete the same, we specify the ID over here. Then we just send the request and it's gonna delete with no content. Also, I need to show the cacheable annotation for you on here on Wellness Resources IMPL, the Wellness Resources Service IMPL. So each function here has the cache put, cacheable, cache evict here to delete, and the cacheable here to get resource by category, also to research resources, and that's it. And here on PG admin, you can see that I have my server and my DB called Wellness Resource, where I have the T resources table. That when I create a request here, for example, post, it's gonna show here with the ID, title, description, and category. Also URL. If I delete it here, it's gonna delete it from the table as well. Talking about the tests, the integration tests, I'm using the test containers to do it, so it's not a local database. Also, I'm gonna spin up some containers here when I start the testings, and I'm gonna demonstrate them right now. Here, for goal tracking, you can see that the test containers for it shows up, and then while it's doing the test, it's active here on Docker desktop. When the test is finished, it's gonna delete itself, and we're gonna see if the test passed or not. Then here we can see that all tests passed. So we have a test for create, test for get all and update, delete, update goal test, the get goals by category, and also the get goals by status. All tests passed. To briefly highlight how I do tests, first, for example, to create, I send a request body, and then I see what the test sees, what's the return, what does it return if it matches all the requirements here, if it's the ID, title, status, and category matches the ones from the request, it means that the test will pass. The same happens here on wellness resource and the event resource as well. You can see that all tests are passing here, and in the event service, they are all with the green sign indicating they passed as well. So both of the microservices create test container, then it deletes itself once the test is finished. So you can see all tests passed over here. My reflection about the project is that it was a great learning experience. We faced challenges setting up the Docker, the inter-service communication. It helped us, though, to understand microservices architecture better. My favorite feature is the tests, running test containers, see how it works.
Hello, my name is Carlos Figuera, and I'm going to demonstrate how the goal tracking service works. So I'm going to show you that all the services are running in Docker desktop. All of them are working. So I'm going to create a goal. I'm going to send it. As you can see, it gives us code 201. I'm going to copy the ID. I'm going to put this now. I'm going to replace the ID. As you can see, it gives us code 200. Now I'm going to get all the goals. Send. Give us code 200 again. It gives all the goals. I'm going to get the goals by category again. Give us code 200 again. I'm going to call by status, progress. So there you go. Here's the ID. So it's new, 200. Now I'm going to delete the goal. I'm going to replace the ID, paste, and now it's gone. If you get all the goals, you are going to see that it's not here anymore. So there you go. It's not there anymore. Um, Now I'm going to show you how the MongoDB works. Give me 1 second. Go in here. So we are MongoDB. I'm going to use the MongoDB, and now there you go. So it is working. And now um, I'm going to show you um, how the event service work. Back to Postman, event service. So I'm going to post a service, send. So it gives us code 200 201. It's created. So I'm going to get the event now. So you can see this brings the events. Now I have to the event one. I'm going to copy the ID. Now I'm going to get by ID number one. So it give us the code 200. Now I'm going to update by ID. The same, send. It is updated, code 200. Now I'm going to delete it, and it's gone. Now show you here how the skill works. Oh, I don't have the role created. That's why it's not working. Um, Give me 1 second. And well, I'm going to demonstrate how Docker's, like all the services working here, are running. So I'm going to demonstrate here. All of them are working. Now I'm going to get it down. Now I'm going to get it up again. Because all of them are not. Maybe 1 second. Now I'm going to leave all of them are stopping. And yes, all of them are removed. So I'm going to pull it up again. There you go. It's wrong. It's pulling up. It's taking time. It's taking some time. It's working now. And we can see if it's running now. It's not running yet. One second. It's taking time. So it's 29, 30, 30. Oh, it's on 30. It's creating again. There you go, it's running 32 and should be ready now. Now all the services are starting. There you go. Everything is running. Thank you so much. And I believe that everything was covered. Yes, everything was covered. And I will show you the code quickly. Yes, there we are. All our services are here. Microservices. So we have event, goal, and wellness. We have the Docker Compose, and the M file. Thank you so much.